Gosend, revolutionizing payment solutions with security, efficiency, and sustainability. At Gosend, we are dedicated to providing a sustainable financial platform tailored for Filipino business people and the broader community. Our mission transcends the traditional profit-driven model. Instead, we aim to be the go-to partner for payment solutions, focusing on long-term sustainability and community support. Industry challenges. Recent insights from extensive user reviews, data from Statista, Nielsen, and leading publications such as the Philippine Daily Inquirer and ABS-CBN reveal significant challenges within the fintech sector, particularly concerning prominent payment platforms. Key issues. 3 critical issues have emerged. Security concerns. Both platforms have encountered issues such as data breaches, phishing scams, and fraud. Technical glitches. Users have reported app crashes, slow transaction processing, and difficulties with login or account access. Customer service. There are notable complaints regarding the quality and responsiveness of customer support. These challenges underscore the need for a robust and reliable alternative. Gosend's solution. Gosend addresses these issues head-on with our cutting-edge technology. Our platform leverages unique QR codes for transactions, ensuring unparalleled security and minimizing the risk of fraud. We guarantee that only the authorized user has access to their account, enhancing overall security. Gosend is equipped to support 10,000 communities with a user base of 2 million. Our advanced technology allows us to seamlessly digitalize all user transactions, providing a comprehensive and efficient payment solution. Our commitment to legal and financial stability is reinforced by our efforts to acquire digital wallet licenses from Dubai and the United States through strategic partnerships. Additionally, Gosend is forging alliances with international exchangers from Brazil and Turkey, positioning us as a formidable international players in the global payment landscape. Gosend has a powerful license issued by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the EMI license, which allows companies to issue electronic money, e-money, which can be used for payments, transfers, and other financial transactions. E-money is a digital representation of fiat currency that is stored electronically and used for various financial services. EMIs can facilitate transactions like online payments, remittances, and mobile wallet services. Gosend has another powerful license issued by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the VASP, or the Virtual Asset Service Provider license, which enables companies to provide services related to virtual assets, such as cryptocurrencies. These services can include exchange, transfer, custody, and management of virtual assets. VASPs are allowed to operate platforms where users can trade virtual assets, provide custodial services, and engage in other related activities. Did you know that out of 44 licensees of BSP and EMI, or the electronic money issuer, and only 9 here has a VASP licensed, we are one of those. Advantages of partnering with Gosend. Partnering with Gosend offers numerous advantages for your company. Tailored solutions. We customize our payment facility to meet your specific needs. Increased efficiency. Our solutions are designed to enhance operational efficiency and drive profitability. Customer loyalty. We provide a payment solution that fosters customer loyalty and satisfaction through personalized communication. Send personalized follow-up emails or messages that acknowledge the community's contribution and impact, highlighting specific achievements and milestones they've helped reach. Regular updates. Create a monthly newsletter showcasing success stories, upcoming projects, and how the rebates they're earning are making a difference. Progress and achievements. We are proud of our progress to date. Gosend currently serves 20,000 people in Batang Quitib ng Marikina Inc. that has the potential to expand to 200,000 users. We have successfully onboarded other communities such as NXT Global Enterprises Corporation, Merino Data Top-Up PH Corp, Aguila International Special Task Force Inc., and other pending 50 NGOs and private companies. Thank you for joining us today. We invite you to explore how Gosend can transform your payment processes and contribute to your business's success. For more information or to partner with us, please contact us on our socials. Gosend, revolutionizing payment solutions with security, efficiency, and sustainability. Gosend, life without expenses.